Jan has asked a question, when building a buffer, how many months is a good idea? I'm assuming this is a financial buffer. And if that's the case, then that's how I'll answer it. If not, let me know and I will re-answer it. But when it comes to building a financial buffer, how many months is a good idea? I think 6. I think at least one BAS payment, like at least 1 quarter's BAS payment would be nice to have. Because then you're just not worried about the tax bill coming round. Obviously, if you're real smart, you'll have multiple accounts. You put some in for taxes, some in for different accounts. I think 3 to 6 months worth of operating expenses is really nice to have in a bank account, because what that does is it takes the pressure off. And that's quite hard to get to. Like if you're starting, that's a long climb. But little bit by little bit by little bit by little bit by little bit over time means that you would get there. I'm just trying to think through now. For me, I probably keep 1 entire BAS payment and 4 months worth of operating expenses aside at any given time. But that is on the high side, because as the number gets bigger, it's a lot of money sitting around not being put to work. So I guess for me, it would depend a little bit on the business model, right? Ours is a recurring business model, which means the money is debited every month and put into our account. That's a lot more stable than, say, an electrical contracting business where you could literally have the phone dry up and no work. So if on those businesses, I would tend to have a little bit more. On a business like ours, I'll probably have a bit less, but I am a little bit greedy and I don't like to have things like have pressure. So I keep a little bit more available than most. But I reckon 3 to 6 months of operating expenses would be a really good baseline for most of us.